So we got here is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a creator combo, which comes with, well, why don't we unbox it and see. So you can scan this to get the Android version. You can just go into Apple Store and get that DJI Memo app. On Samsung you have to go to the shop. Show you. So that goes into your DJI like that, and that's the release, quick release button there, and that's the core thread to put on a gimbal, put on a tripod. A wristband, hard case. You got 2 spots to put your ND filters. Now with the creator pack you get all of this, a wind muff, of course the mic, that's the mic 2. You can't get it anywhere just yet, from what I know. You can only get it with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for now. This is the wide lens. There's a 15mm wide lens. Tripod, a mini tripod. Quite strong, rugged. Got a bit of weight. Oh yes, it's a very strong magnet. And yep, it is yep, that's a strong magnet. I can't. Pretty strong magnet. You get a battery pack with a combo.
For a second I thought it was you. Thought it was you. Thought it was you. Thought it was you. For a second I thought it was you. Thought it was you. I thought I had eyes on. For a second I thought it was you.
Now get your mobile. If you have an iPhone, just scan that, should take you to the app. If you don't, you just need to go into Google. accept again. See if that matches this. That needs to match that. Then you accept. Then it should give you this. If you want to read through, go ahead. You'll be there for months and months. Just agree. Then you got allow access.
Best to give me the loyalty. Best to give me the loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Now let me just show you how to insert an SD card. The SD card slot is here, right there. I'm going to use a Samsung SD card, which is 256. Does not go this way. Do not put it in there wrong. Push it in there. You can damage it. The writing faces the opposite way of the screen. Push it in. When you push it in, you should hear a click. Unfortunately, I can't because I don't have nails. And there you go. You should hear that tiny little click.